Right guys, so here we have it, the famous Robin Hood's cave at Stanage Edge. Thought I'd bring the drone along today so you can actually see it at its full wonder. I mean, just look at that view, absolutely amazing. Some of the best views that there actually is to offer up at Stanage Edge, including all of the Yorkshire Dales. I mean, look at that, just wow. So this is where we parked, and I'm going to post the postcode on here for you, so that'll be on screen. There's plenty of parking. It is pay as you park, so bring your change with you. If not, you can use the digital icon. So next is the little scramble straight up the hill. Right, I'm not going to lie, the hill is quite deceiving, so make sure you bring comfortable shoes as the floor is very uneven. But the further up you get, you're going to start seeing some huge boulders, as you can see on screen. So it is quite a scramble. I'm not going to say it's very easy, because it's not, that would be a lie. But the view, impeccable. So as you arrive at the top, it's going to take, I'd say, around 5-10 minutes, depending on your pace, before you come to this little snicket. It is easily missed, but just keep a lookout. Make sure you are extremely careful when you walk down, because the edge of the cliff is literally right there in front of you. So as we enter the cave, it is quite a tight squeeze, some sharp rock, so make sure you are careful when you're getting down. But here it is. So people actually say that Robin Hood did use this cave as a hideout. Whether or not that's true, I have no idea. But as we approach the front, the view, this is by far my favourite one. Just check this out. Wow. Right guys, well that's it, the famous Robin Hood's cave. Absolutely brilliant. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming it. But sadly that's it for this episode. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks again.